Ever since childhood, we have been taught that the pursuit of happiness is the chase of a lifetime. I'm Terry Bradshaw, and I've learned that true success is not so much about what you achieve, but how you achieve it. Join me as we span the globe, meeting the people working hard to attain their own net worth. Business survival requires effective strategies. Let's explore the latest tools to safeguard corporate assets. Fire happens. A fire is reported in this country every 65 seconds. Fires can occur at home or at work, but some industries are at greater risk because they routinely handle and store flammable liquids. Solutions are available to safely deal with these liquids, and there are OSHA regulations in place to mandate their use. But even before there was OSHA, one company was already providing products to help every worker get home safely at night. Before OSHA, there was Justrite.
In 1906, Justrite was formed on the invention of carbide lanterns and lights primarily for the mining industry. Early on, Justrite learned that the use of kerosene in the mines created flammable liquid hazards, and as a result, pioneered a global industry for containing such liquids and the protection of people, property, and the environment.
For the sake of personal safety, protection of property, and care of the environment, industries must learn and practice the careful control and dispensing of hazardous materials. Many of the common substances we use regularly have a dangerous side to them, including gasoline, kerosene, diesel fuel, motor oil, solvents, paint, and chemicals.
We design our products to be in accordance to regulations and design standards to make our customers' operation safe and compliant to laws and industry best practices, and for the protection of life and property.
Justrite supplies over 1,200 products that foster workplace safety, including SureGrip EX safety cabinets, AccuFlow safety cans, smoker ceasefire smoking receptacles, and eco-polyblend spill containment equipment, to name just a few. Most of the company's products meet OSHA or EPA regulations, and many have been tested and approved by FM Global or Underwriters Laboratories, in some cases both.
We had an employee experience a flash fire while refueling a hot engine with gasoline. If it hadn't been for the safety requirements that we adhere to and the performance of the can, it's most likely the employee would have been greatly harmed, or even worse. These products make employees' jobs safer and more efficient, not to mention it's safer for everyone.
The regulators obviously see the need for these safety measures, and the industry as a whole recognizes that and supports their use. It's imperative to educate businesses of every size about the wisdom of adopting these procedures now and not wait for someone to get hurt or property to be damaged.
We use cleaning solutions in our business of restoring classic car parts. We use a Justrite cabinet. If it hadn't been for the Justrite cabinet in that particular room, we would have suffered greater damage and not give us the opportunity to move a lot of equipment and the parts out. It eliminated the fire getting worse at that time.
Justrite's chief technical officer is an engineer who can navigate the regulatory landscape and make sure that the company offers products that can achieve the desired goal of keeping fires and industrial accidents involving volatile liquids to a minimum.
We find a lot of people do not understand the dangers of flammable combustible liquids. The challenge is to teach them to understand labor law, the fire codes, the industry best practices, and how our products can bring them into compliance and ultimately make the workplace a safer workplace.
Justrite has launched educational programs to teach people about the need for these products and how to use them effectively. The company offers their STUD program for storage, transfer, use, and disposal of hazardous materials. The addition of an evaluation component to make it study helps to keep all personnel informed and up to date on the best practices for handling volatile substances.
At Justrite, we focus on training and education. We offer as a service to our customers a comprehensive flammable liquid safety audit, which we call STUD-E. We remain committed to educating and protecting people and facilities worldwide against the inherent dangers of handling flammable liquids.
American industry can work safely with hazardous materials, and we must.